What's going down, everybody? It's your boy Trey Strongs, aka the Elevated Chef, and I hope you're having a marvelous Munchie Monday. I hope it's been just an A1 day, and that maybe you just stumbled upon this video. If so, do yourself a favor, hit subscribe and the bell next to it to be notified every time dank content like this is being dropped. And if you're just one of those really dope people who like to push extra good vibes out there, hit the like button too. Hit the like button too. It'll make you feel good. Just like other things that make you feel good. We got a little mocktail recipe on the way. It's on the way, but I just like to let everybody see my face so you don't forget it. In case you ain't seen it before, here it is.
Beautiful young face.
You know what I mean? We're just chilling. We're vibing. All things culinary and cannabis for the most part over here. If you didn't know, your boy's also over on twitch.tv/TreyStrongs420. We be vibing over there as well. Come catch a vibe. I invite you personally. I can't handwrite notes, but if I could, this would be it. This would be it. But if you're just into dank recipes and all things food and cannabis, again, I'm going to plug it in case you didn't know, your boy's got an ebook over on Amazon and on Google Play. It's available. It's paperless. For now, we're saving the trees. You know, Lorax hit hard with me. Hit hard.
I speak for the trees.
But all that being said, throwing a whole lot of information at you guys. But mostly, I just want to drop this tasty, tantalizingly to the taste buds mocktail recipe on you guys, because I think it's super important for everybody to full spectrum consume their cannabis and just enjoy the different benefits that you get from all sides of the plant. I think we can all agree on that, right? Right? Yeah, I was pretty sure. I knew I know that I made a good choice. Somebody like you could not. We were gonna vibe. We were gonna vibe. It just was. That being said, let's vibe on over to this recipe. Let's go to the kitchen. Let's get her done. Let's do it, y'all. One more hit. You know I'm greedy. One more hit. Rolling up, lighting up. Let's go. Let's go to the kitchen. So for this mocktail, I'll be using some apple juice, some sparkling red grape juice, some orange juice, CBD tincture from Grand Remedy, and a orange that we're going to be using in combination with mixing up our mocktail here. So start by slicing your orange, and then ultimately you want that cut into quarters. Once you have your oranges cut, you're going to need a nice sized container for mixing up your drink, starting with half of the bottle of your sparkling red grape juice. If you don't have that, you can use regular grape juice and then just add carbonation with something like a club soda. Then adding a cup and a half of your apple juice, and then adding your oranges to that mixture. Adding the whole baby bottle of orange juice. Once the orange juice is added, then we infuse with our Grand Remedy CBD 2000 milligram tincture, bringing us good vibes with 2 droplets full of tincture added to our drink. And then we get to have a little fun and mash everything up, kind of breaking up all the essence and the juice of the orange into everything else, and kind of just mixing all that good CBD-ness into everything, getting it all blended together, you know. Then adding back the last half of the sparkling red grape juice. Add some ice to a glass, and then pour your mixture over ice. And garnish with an orange. Trust me, your mouth and your body will thank you for sipping on one of these at your next sesh.